Hey there everybody, welcome to Hack That Funnel Radio with myself, Ben Moote. We're going to be talking today about how you get your first funnel marketing agency client. Now you could be an agency, you could be a freelancer. This is how you get your very first client. Now this will work if you've never had a client before. This is how you make it happen. So with no further ado, let's hop into the introduction and let's get on moving. But, if you like this video at all, leave a little thumbs up, let me know you like it, subscribe, ring the bell. Let's get moving.
I have spent the last 5 years building hundreds of marketing funnels and systems for over 100 clients, and I can tell you, most of you are skipping the most important part of the funnel build. There is a secret step-by-step blueprint that makes every sales funnel profitable. What is it? That is the question, and this podcast is the answer. My name is Ben Moote, and this is Hack That Funnel Radio.
Becoming an agency or a freelancer as a funnel builder is not really as easy as it seems to be because you are held accountable for the results. You mean I can't just build something and get paid for it whether or not it works? No. You are personally liable. This is your job to do the best work you possibly can. However high you sell yourself, you have to meet that amount. If you set the bar super high, you better be able to deliver. Otherwise, set the bar where you can and try to over-deliver as much as possible in that spot. Now, if this is you trying to get your very first customer, I highly recommend that you've built a funnel before, period. Or you know somebody who can do it for cheaper than you're going to sell it. If you don't know what a sales funnel is literally a couple of websites put in an order with one goal on every page and one destination to click. So they say, do you want this, yes or no? Do you want this, yes or no? Do you want this, yes or no? Which makes it easy to adjust so that way it converts and becomes a profit engine for your business right away instead of a broad magazine of every opportunity that your business provides. This is how we used to teach people at ClickFunnels how to do this when I worked there. I helped ClickFunnels certified partners learn how to get their first customer, how to use ClickFunnels, all the good stuff. I was very involved in that. And this is what we taught them. Once you know how to do all of this, go and do it for somebody for free. Look, try to find the easiest win possible. What customer is like almost there and all you have to do is make some small adjustments in order to make this sucker work. Why do they teach that method? Of all the methods you could teach, such as build a funnel, why do they teach you go and work for free? Because when the man Russell Brunson was building out his Inner Circle program, he literally did that exact thing. He went and found a company that needed some help, made the adjustments, and they made a killer testimonial video for him. That became the funnel. Let's take a couple steps back. How do you know if somebody is ready for their very first big win? Number one, this customer must have distribution already. That could be an email list. It could be a big Facebook group. It could be YouTube. It could be that they're running ads right now. Either way, they already have customers coming in. You don't have to create that. You just have to create something that works with the new customers coming in. So number one, they need distribution. If they already have a distribution channel set up, your win is a lot easier. That automatically gets rid of like 80% of your customers because most of those customers are all startups who are hoping for a big win that the funnel will magically give them. But you, when you're looking for that first customer to give a really good success story to, look for somebody who has distribution first. Second, make sure they have a track record of actually selling something. If they have never sold something before, you're trying to get somebody who is not a salesperson to become a salesperson, and you're a funnel builder. You're not a salesman. You're a funnel builder. Learning how to be a salesman and a funnel builder, very unique, hard to do. So your job is to find somebody who can already sell, create the funnel around it, and then you can create something together that blows their business apart in a good way, not in a bad way. Let them be the salesman. Let them adjust your pitch. Let them adjust these things so that way it works right. Make sure they have sales already. The last piece is just for me personally. I want to work for somebody who is okay being on video because if they're okay on video, they're like 3 times more likely to leave me a video testimonial versus that awkward, yeah, so Ben did my funnel and it blew up and it was really great, so you should hire him. Please no. Please no. So number one, find somebody who already has distribution. Number two, somebody who already has sales. That means they already have products. They already have things that are working. Number three, all you have to do is find somebody who does like video so that way you can get them to do a video testimonial afterwards if you get them results that blow their socks off. It's literally that simple, but that does mean you need to be picky and choosy. It does mean you can say, yes, I can work for you. No, I cannot work for you. No, I'd recommend you to go and get help from so-and-so. You have to learn to say no, and if you can learn to say no at the beginning, in order to get this customer is going to take you farther than any other customer will. One caveat to all this, if you get this customer who has really good distribution, who has really good sales, and really likes being on video, you better perform. Nothing is worse than telling somebody you can change their business, you get in there and it flops sideways, it's the saddest belly flop on earth, and you slowly move towards the door. That doesn't work. And if that person is outgoing, it's probably going to be a bad mark. So you want to make sure that you promise the results that you feel comfortable being able to deliver. But don't start with a startup. Start with somebody who has the results and is waiting for a funnel to simply make those results that much better. .com Secrets has literally written this story inside of it. Inside, Russell tells you about the time he went to Drew Canole to help Organifi, a business that was struggling to make things profitable. And they kept asking, but what do you want in return? And he said, nothing. I just want to get you great results, because if I can do this, I can do this for others. He didn't ask for it, but the person, Drew Canole, already was good on video. Russell flew in, he did an amazing job with them, their business exploded, they're back in business. I have a friend who works there right now, and literally, they decided to record several testimonial videos, and not just that, they stand up at events and said, follow what Russell says, do it. Now imagine if you could have that customer everywhere you went, where they were just like, this person is the person you go to. Always go to them. That is who you're looking for as your first customer, and that's how you start to do it. Now, there are a couple ways you can find this person. Number one, go and look at local businesses. If they've been in business a while, they know how to sell, they have a distribution figured out, they just need to grow their business. Easy win. Another option, go on Facebook, start answering funnel-like questions. Help people, and then offer to help them on a one-on-one consultation call for free. Get on the consultation call, see if they fall into the 3 buckets, and if they fall into the 3 buckets, pitch them that what you're gonna do for them for free. Done. But another option is to go list yourself on Upwork, on Freelancer, on Fiverr, all these different places you can put yourself, and then just be very picky who you get, because once again, if you get the right person, this can explode. Now, this is not the guaranteed way to do it. In a previous episode, I talked about how I went and I built my business doing funnel builds for clients as a freelancer and then as an agency. I told you how I do it. You can follow that example if you want, but this is what we taught people when I worked at ClickFunnels as staff. At that point, you can start to price yourself based on the value you give, not on the price point that sounds, oh, this would be good. This is the value you've been proven to be able to give. You can now charge this price. Does that make sense? And the bigger the problems that you solve, the more you're going to make. That is how business works. But you have to learn how to solve problems and be able to prove that you've done it. After that, then you can build an application funnel. Very simple funnel, 3 steps. The first is the testimonial video saying what they'll get from the customer, not from you. You need the customer to sell you, page 1, and have an opt-in on it. Page number 2, your origin story with an application form, making sure that they fit into the categories you want. You can use the first 3 again in order to make sure that you just keep getting fast wins and getting paid really good. That's easy. Or you can dilute it a little bit so you can work with a more range of customer. That's your choice. Page number 3, if everything goes well, you can do one of 2 things. Number 1, you can put your scheduler on the page. Or number 2, you can actually say, all right, we're gonna go review it, and then we'll send you the scheduler if you answer the questions correctly. Simple 3-step funnel, pretty easy to do if you know how to do it. It's literally the template that you're gonna be able to find anywhere. So that is how you find your first customer, and you turn that first customer into more customers. Now, if you have enjoyed this at all, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and whatever you do, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you want to learn next. What did I leave out? What pieces do you want to know so that way you can land your first client or start making better money as a funnel builder, agency, or freelancer? Guys, make sure you go forth and build ethically, build exceptionally well, and then if you want to, involve a hack, because I'm going to tell you, involving the hack always helps me sell my customers 100% better.
Sweet, awesome sauce. I hope you found something in this episode that made your mind explode. Now, would you like to take it to the next level? What if I give you the keys to the funnel hacking kingdom? What I want to give you is my MasterPack 5-day training for free. All you have to do is go to hackthatfunnelradio.com, put in your email, submit, and you will get my funnel hacking MasterPack right now, 100% free. It will teach you what to hack, where to hack, how to hack, and when to hack. All you have to do is go to hackthatfunnelradio.com and get it now. hackthatfunnelradio.com.